Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I want to present you ArtPlacer, which is a tool to make it easier for you to create 3D virtual galleries in krpano. Before we go into the details, let me share you some history. When I started to learn krpano, I came across a post from Sun7 in which he shared a virtual gallery he created. It was really amazing. It was beautiful, it had good navigation, it was fully 3D, so you don't have to wait for panels to load. And seeing this, I saw some potential in using krpano for virtual galleries. So I started to create my own galleries. And the first one was, well, not the best. It got me going in krpano. I learned the scripting language, I was finding a good workflow and all these things, but the result was not really something amazing. But that didn't stop me, and I created some more galleries. I think in total we have 5 free ones now, and I also created a commercial template with some more features than the free ones. My idea with the galleries was to create something where users could download the template, replace the images, and done. Let me show you how it's done. This is a krpano project, the typical one. And we have an images directory, which display all the images from the gallery. So my idea was let users replace these, and we have a gallery. The gallery is this one. So when you load, you get a gallery from 1 to 8. And when you replace these images, like this, and you reload the gallery, the images are there. So far so good, but there were a few problems. First one, the images that the users put in are not really using all the space available within the gallery. If you put in a small image like this one, there's a lot of blank space around each of the pictures that the users put in. And sometimes you want to make these bigger, right? In order to do that, you would have to go into the XML again, changing the height, width, or scale. Maybe add an image, like if you want to add an image, perfectly possible. Could just copy paste this one and make a new one. But this is again bypassing the original idea, being make it easy for the users to create a virtual gallery. And that's why we created ArtPlacer. Let me show you how it works. We can close this one and we will reset our project here like this, and we can reload. So we're back at the starting position. We have our images and we have our project structure here. So to start, we're gonna put the images that we want to use in our images directory that came with the project. I prepared this set of images, and we just copy and paste them into that directory. So once they're there, we can go to our project and either do the start server, which will start a local web server that you can use to navigate and configure your krpano project. And as you can see, this is the same project as we had in our other browser. I prefer editing in Chrome, so I'm going to close this one, stop the server, and just use Chrome on a different web server. Let's open up ArtPlacer by clicking this button, which will open a side panel with all the tools we need in order to create a virtual gallery. Let's start by editing image number 1. If you click an image and you have the editor open, a green border will appear around it. Let's replace this image by clicking the Replace Selected Image button on the left. And we can select an image in a file selector. We open the image and the image appears in the gallery. You can move this image around by holding the Control key, clicking the image, and then you can drag this image around on the wall of the gallery. When moving the image, it will follow the 3D geometry of the gallery. And if you move out of the 3D geometry, it will snap back to its original position. We can also resize this image by holding down the Shift key, clicking the image and dragging the mouse. If you want some more fine-grained control on resizing, you can also use these input boxes on the left. For example, we make the width 200 and the height is automatically recalculated. We press update size and now the image is 200 by 133 pixels. Let's make this a bit smaller so we have some more space to work with and put it there. But now I want to have an additional image on this blank space, so we can press Add Image. And then a selected box is presented, which will also follow the 3D geometry of the gallery. And when we place it down, a placeholder is put on the wall. We can then use again the Replace Image to put another image in place. Resize and move it around. So far I've been using JPEG images, but we can also use transparent PNG files. Let's replace this one with a transparent PNG. Again, size, move around, add an image, replace it. This one has a transparent background. Size, and we place it here. The images all have an automatic zoom associated with them, which means that when you click them, the camera automatically moves in front of the picture. If you don't want that, you can delete the on-click action which is associated with this image. And you press the update on click. I'm going to do the same for this one. Update on click. Now when you click it, no camera movement is happening. In order to restore it, we can select our image, set on click to auto zoom, and it's automatically associated again. I will now speed up the process and I will complete the gallery. And we're done. In order to save this gallery, we simply click Create XML. We put it over the current configuration, which is an ArtPlacer configuration. And we save this. Now we can reload our gallery. And the whole gallery is available again. If you want to try any of these virtual gallery templates, I have updated these templates and they now include the latest version of ArtPlacer. These templates are available on Gumroad for free. So link is below and I hope you give them a try. And of course, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I hope to release more content around krpano in the future. Out for now. Bye.